What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers out there who have been reaching out to me, asking me questions. I try to respond to every single one of you. No, there's not many of you, but we start small and then we grow our channel up. That's what the play is here. I'm not gonna waste any time, and I'm gonna share with you guys what we are going to talk about today. Today we are going to dive right back into the small account challenge. I deposited about $100 some, whatever was left on my Webull from last time I picked up. And the challenge is still the same. We gotta grow this account to whatever number that we can grow this account to, and we are just gonna see what works, what doesn't work. There are a couple of things that I'm trying to test out right now. The strategies, the market has changed a lot ever since the last time I was in the market, and the account value, I made it very clear to you guys. The account value you are sitting at right here. That is the account value. 176.90. Okay, that's the account value, and I made about 5.28% on the day today. It's not a lot, but you know what? I will take it. I will absolutely take it. All right, so let's talk about certain ends. Let's talk about what we are trying to do. So the stuff that I've been trading is fair value, gap, support, resistance, lines, and all that on that fun jazz. Okay, that's that. Let's go to my React app. All right, so this is something that I've been working on. I want to share with you guys. I like to track my trades now, and we're gonna go ahead and just hit get started here. This is the front end of the application, and I made, how much did I make today? What did I say? I made about 5.28% today on the day. Account is at 176. 176. All right. So what we're gonna do is we are going to make the trade size, what, about $150 or so, right? That was the trade size. I made about 5.76% on the day today. And you know what? Let's take a step back. Let me go ahead and preferences. Let me search this out. How much money did I gain today? I gained $8.87, right? So this is video one. So just this is video one. Let's see. 176 minus, and then we want to subtract 8.87. All right, 167.13. All right, 167.13 is the account balance, is our starting balance. We're gonna hit save. The account balance is that, and then we are gonna explain what the trade is, and this is where you guys are gonna be able to see what I traded today, and I'm gonna keep track of every single trade I take. The tags that I did today. Let's go ahead and open our trading view. Okay, the trade I took today. Oh, you can't see it. There you go. The trade I took today was this trade right over here. It broke this finally, and I went on the 1 minute chart, and you can see on the 1 minute chart this drop is something that after the close below this supply zone. So let's go ahead and wait for so demand zone. There was a break of the demand zone, and I did not wait for confirmation. Okay, so that was my trade. Let's type it out. On the 1 minute time frame, I went in after the break of the zone. Did not wait for confirmation. There was some FOMO. Okay, so I wrote that, and then my trade size was whatever my trade size was. I made about, you know what would be a nice thing to add here? Just have a column on how much did you make on the account. That would be nice. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot of this chart. You know what? I'm gonna make it a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna go ahead again. I'm gonna circle this guy. I went in right over here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste my screenshot right in here. Let's just say 167.13 was my trade size and percent return. Let's go back on Webull and see what our percent 5.28 5.28% win is what we did. It was a winning trade. If it wasn't, then this would be a negative number. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my upload trade right here. Upload successful. Bam, there you go. The first thing is in there. So let's talk about the app a little bit, right? This is something that I have been working on in the background, something I created, and I really wanted to have something out there that's pretty much free and just for myself. You know, if you want to use it, feel free to use it. I'm still working on it every night. I'm building this thing every single night, so it's gonna get better and better over time. Let's look at this right here, right? Let's look at the balance is 5.28. The balance went up a little bit. The tag performance, demand zone win, okay. And I made $8.82 on the day today, okay. Now let's see something. Let's see something really cool, and I wanted to share with you guys what this cool thing is. If we focus, right? If we focus on this, our daily growth rate, right? The account is what right now? Let's see what the account is at right now. Account is at 175.95. That's what the account is at right now. See how it changes color? Get a little bit, but it changes color. 175.95 is the account. So if we come back here, 175.95, and if we just aim for 5% a day for 3 months, let's hit calculate. The balance over time, you're going to be sitting at $14,000. In just 3 months, it'll be at $14,000, right? But that means I'm going to have to focus on 5% every single day, which is a pretty cool thing, right? This is a little bit of motivation to keep me going, and kind of that what the plan is. All right, so we made 5% today. We secured a 5% win today, which was amazing. I'll take it. Can't complain too much. All right, that's what it is. I traded a break, and this trade thing will tell you what I took, right? What I took. It'll tell you. Break and went down. All right, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was a little bit boring, I was just logging in my trades into my journal and kind of focusing on keeping track of what's winning, what's not winning, and over time we will have some data, and I will try some things out, and then over time I will decide what strategy to use next. But hopefully, as long as we're making at least 5% a day, I think we're in a pretty good shape. That's the plan. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a great day. Have a great one. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.